In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok for image generation. First, open your web browser, go to the Grok website or open the Grok app, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, start a new chat. Next, type a detailed prompt describing the image you want to create. Include important details such as the subject, art style, colors, lighting, background, camera angle, and image quality. The more specific your prompt is, the better the generated image will match your idea. Now, send your prompt and wait while Grok generates the image. This usually takes just a few moments. Once the image is ready, review the result and decide if it matches what you had in mind. After that, if you want to improve the image, simply send another prompt asking Grok to make changes. For example, you can ask it to change the background, adjust the lighting, use a different art style, add or remove objects, or create a more realistic version. Continue refining the image until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, when you're happy with the generated image, use the available download option to save it to your computer or mobile device. You can then use the image in presentations, social media posts, websites, or other creative projects, while making sure your use complies with Grok's terms and any applicable copyright or usage policies. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Grok for image generation. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.